To get custom AOD on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to select the lock screen and AOD, and then we can go for always on display. You will need to make sure that always on display is active, and after that you'll be able to customize it with those options right here, but we want to get entirely custom always on display like I have it right here. So to do that, we'll need to go back to the main page of the settings, select the themes, and then if you're not logged into Samsung account, you will need to log in. When it's ready, click on AODs right here and scroll all the way down if you want to find free AODs. Then select whichever one you like, download it, and apply it. You can apply it for some with clock and image or image only. When it's applied, you'll be able to lock your device, and depending on the behavior of your always on display, for me, I just need to tap to wake it up and it shows up. As you can see, it's a custom one that we've downloaded. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.